If you want to stop swearing, there are several strategies you can try. First, enlist the help of a friend who can either work with you to cut out bad language together or remind you when you slip up. Having someone hold you accountable will motivate you to kick the habit. Identify your triggers and avoid them. Figure out what situations make you swear and try to remove yourself from them to gain better control over your language. You can also try pretending someone important, like your grandmother or your boss, is always listening and imagine their disapproval when you swear. Also, make an effort to avoid explicit media that may influence your language. Be patient with yourself, as breaking the habit takes time. Pay attention to your swearing habits and try to replace swear words with harmless substitutes, or expand your vocabulary to express yourself more effectively.